Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I have a 2-for-1 video for you. I'm doing both a gray hair journey update and an unboxing of a FabFitFun edit sale. So first off, the reason why I'm doing them together is because they are related. I wanted to talk to you about what kind of hair care products I've been using ever since I stopped coloring my hair, and I've come across some really fantastic things. That's why I wanted to share them with you. And then I thought I could also do a little update and show you my progress here. So this is 9 months since my roots started showing. So 9 months since I would have started coloring my hair. And that was November 2022 that I count as my start date. And we are in July, the beginning of July. So the first thing I want to do is open up the box. I will tell you right off the hop, I have never, ever ordered from the FabFitFun edit sale. If you don't know what FabFitFun is, lifestyle subscription box comes 4 times a year. Inside, I've discovered some products I never would have chose on my own. And quite often, I will enjoy using the products, but not be like super sold on that specific product from that specific brand, but I might start looking for that same type of thing. Like say I find a really nice exfoliating cleanser, be like, wow, I've never used a cleanser before, and I don't really get specifically stuck on that kind of cleanser, but actually using a cleanser. This time I got stuck on a product that I actually really love, and it has to be a very specific product. And there's 2 actually in here, and they are both for hair care. And that's why I wanted to unbox them for you today. So I can say I have never ordered an edit sale ever, because in Canada, you have to pay for shipping. And they started something new in the US. You also have to pay for shipping, but you can get a qualifying purchase. I think if you spend $50 or more, you don't have to pay for shipping. So I would have had to have paid twice for shipping in Canada. But the reason why I ordered this time from the edit sale is because I was running out of this. This was a product that came in one of our recent seasonal boxes. It wasn't anything I ever would have chose, and it wasn't anything I ever would have sought out. I only picked it because, by default, really, there was nothing else in the category that I loved. Jen Love actually chose it in her box, and I thought she's pretty good at sourcing out ingredients, so maybe it's worth giving a try. I do want to really take care of my hair right now, so maybe I'll give it a try. I ended up getting 2 of these in the box, and they are a mask, a hair mask, and it has black truffle extract. I'm not sure if that is the magic ingredient, but this on its own to purchase from their website, from Truff Love, would be $30. And the interesting thing for me in Canada is I can't get this product shipped to me here. So I really loved this product so much that when I started running out of it, I thought I better go onto the website and order some for myself. FabFitFun often, when they partner with someone and they put their products in the box, they have a special promotion to shop on their website. So I actually went to FabFitFun to look and see if they had any partnership and promotion for this company. And that's when I discovered their edit sale actually had this product, but in bulk. So I could have ordered this to an American address and just picked it up when I was in the US, but these at $30 each were quite a bit more expensive. I'm trying to remember what it came to. I think they were $18 each for these, and to buy this jar at this cost was normally $41, and I ended up getting 3 for $44, and this is all in US. So I stocked up on them. The max I could buy was 3. I really enjoy this kind of container for them. I really love the way that it comes out. It's so like thick, the way that it comes out. And actually, let's open one up so I can show you what the product looks like here. I like the portion control that you get from this kind of container because I think it will be really easy to scoop out too much in this kind of container, but it's definitely a better deal for the volume. And you can even buy one volume up from this. You could buy one twice as big for $64 on the Truff Love website. So anyways, I took advantage of that. I paid the $8 shipping that I had to pay to get this to me in Canada. And then while I was at it, I got another product that I'm using for my hair that I really, really love. Another thing I didn't know that I needed, and that was a clarifying shampoo. And this is from Ouai. I'll show you the last 2 things here. I also bought and added these on because they were $3.99, I think. And I've really liked these cleansing bars. And I added those 2 on. I have to say, these feel smaller than the last time I got cleansing bars from them. I don't think I'm crazy. I think this is shrinkflation right here because I am sure that these felt bigger last time. But regardless, they're really good. So the Ouai shampoo, this is normally for me in Canada to purchase this would be $41, and it was, I think it was $4.99 US on the edit sale. So that's all I ordered, was those things there. But I wanted to talk to you about my hair care routine. So I have been ordering some better shampoos and conditioners from FabFitFun, Random, Living Proof, just a variety of really good Amika ones. I've been testing out a whole bunch of like high-end shampoo and conditioners, but then in between using those good shampoos and conditioners, I've been using this clarifying shampoo and this mask. And when I use these together, I cannot keep my fingers out of my hair. Like they just are, my hair gets so soft that it feels like just so silky smooth. I can't stop touching it. Anyway, so this is what I've been finding to be really great at keeping my hair healthy. I was wondering if this might actually strip some of the old color out of my hair, but it hasn't seemed to turn it any sort of unpleasant kind of orangey sort of brassy tones. So that's good. I was worried that maybe that might be something that happens to my hair. But anyways, this is the duo that I'm using. And then the last thing that I'm using as well is this. This is my finishing product. And this is something that I also will repurchase. It is a vanishing oil, Frizz vanishing oil. So I had this one hairdresser say that when, you know how when you have your growth here and you can clearly see it when you're not coloring your hair like I am and you're going for your natural and then you're dyed and you can see the hair coming in. And when you think about all this growth, and why doesn't all this growth translate to down here? Like, why don't I have this much here if I'm not cutting it? And the one thing that he said is you have your roots, your mids, and your ends. And your ends are where all the water can sort of leak out. And if you don't put something on the ends to protect that from happening, what happens is your ends dry out and they just kind of slough off. Like they literally just turn to dust. If you want to encourage your hair to grow, he said the best thing to do is to protect your ends. And that is what I've been doing with this Living Proof vanishing oil. And I also find that it's great at sort of minimizing any sort of frizz. So I just wanted to pop on and show you this, and you can see sort of my coloring here. It's very pronounced right there. And then if you flip it to this side, it's less obvious of a demarcation line on the different sides. But it's by a really strong white streak there. And also I will tell you, if you follow me because of FabFitFun, their fall spoilers are about to drop starting on Wednesday, July 5th. All the spoilers are going to start coming out. I think they're going to spoil categories 3, 4, 5, and 6 on Wednesday. And they reached out to me again. I will be sent a product to spoil ahead of time. So I don't get to announce it before all the spoilers are released, but I do get to showcase it for you, much like I did the travel case for the summer box. I'm very excited because I love the fall box. Fall and winter are usually my favorite seasons in the subscription. If you purchase FabFitFun right now, just so you know, if you're not a subscriber and you're thinking, oh wow, I'd like to give them a try, if you sign up right now, you're still going to get the summer box. If you wanted to wait, you can get the fall box, although they have a really good coupon, and I'll leave a link down below. They sent me a code for 40% off the summer box, and I will leave that code down below. I think it's summer, but yeah, I'll leave that link down below so that you, or the code down below that you would enter to get 40% off. That's a really good time to jump into FabFitFun to save 40% off. And just know, if you do that, then you are signing up for the subscription, and then that you will be charged for the fall box if you sign up as a subscriber seasonally. And if you sign up annually, you just pay all at once for the whole cost of the membership. Anyways, I'll leave all the details down below about that, and I'll also link some videos to my gray hair journey and to my FabFitFun list if you want to see sort of what kind of stuff FabFitFun has available. So that is everything. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you might want to take a peek at that and subscribe so you can see the fall product that they're sending me in advance. You get a little closer look at what is coming. And if you are also in your gray hair journey and you want to just follow along with my progress and to see how things are going and how it looks at the different stages and sort of what sort of tips and tricks and experiences that I've been having along the way, you can subscribe for that. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.